What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Polymaker's Panchroma PLA in green. So big fan of Polymaker and the Panchroma series. Easy to open boxes, no unnecessary stickers. Easy to open bags that can be doubled as a storage solution because they're resealable. If you're in a pinch, pretty good for, and good quality filament. So here is the green. Love this color on it. Nice rich verdant green. Overall, I'd say it's good. But as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the filament dryer, and I'll see you back here for the benchy. Alright, if you're new here, we always start out when working with a new filament by printing a benchy in generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case generic PLA. So we're going to go ahead and get that sliced up, and it should take just shy of an hour. Yep, about 45 minutes. We're going to get that sent over along with all the other test prints. And here they are. Yeah, one of the things that I think is really good is the fact that here is the generic benchy. A little bit of stringing, nothing really super major though. I'm not even sure if it's being picked up on camera with the stringiness, but some layer line issues. Again, nothing really to write home about with this, but overall I'd say it's pretty good. Anyway, next up, we will have the dimensional cube. This one is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters, cubed in spiral Voss mode. Everything looks fine there. No real... Oh, wait, there was like a little bit of stringiness right there. You can see it as I drop it. Yeah, anyway. Next up, we have the temperature tower. And the temp tower for this one, I believe the best temperature for this one was 205. 205 had the best temperature spike, very little stringing, no real globbing on that spike there. So that one out of all of them seemed to be the best quality. Next up, we had the retraction test. There was a little bit of artifacts left for whatever reason, but overall I'd say pretty good. Max volumetric speed test. This printed absolutely beautifully at 20 millimeters per second cubed. Yeah, pretty standard there. Next up, we had the overhang test. The overhang test performed well. No real major even issues on the back end, which is always good to see. Very well indeed. So anyway, we got those settings dialed in and reprinted that benchy. Overall, I'd say it's pretty good. We got to take care of some of that stringing and some of those other layer lines, but overall I'd say pretty good for this. So at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $20, which is a little bit pricey for PLA, I'll admit, but you're paying for that quality and consistency that you get with Polymaker and Panchroma. My overall thoughts are, like I said, I think that they're good filament, they're a good company. I haven't had really any major issues with them. But yeah, they're not a sponsor or anything like that. I don't even have sponsors. Anyway, if you like this, that's been Polymaker's Panchroma PLA Green. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm a new YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. Anyway, this has been Higgins for Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here next time.